counting. It is December 17th. And I'm Harry. It's December 17th. Hi, we have a lot to do today. Let's go over the to-do list. I want to really make sure I'm showing you guys like really what doing business and being a business owner is. So let's get into it. I have so many messages and I don't care. Tea. Oh, today my cafe du jour is from Brews on 7th. It's like the Hawaiian sunset something. It's tight. It's tight. Okay, so I need to email my PR list and get addresses so I can send out PR. And I need to finish this training online, make a new logo. Yeah, we're gonna get a new logo today. Someone's calling me. Hello?
Hi, is this
Maquillage?
Yes. What store are you guys by? I'm trying to find you.
Oh, we're right next to Kumon.
Where? Kumon?
Yeah.
Oh, right here.
Yeah, we're the pink one.
Okay, yeah, because I'm just trying to pick up some stuff from that I had delivered to you guys. And
Okay.
I just didn't know where.
Yeah. It's kind of, the GPS is kind of funny sometimes.
Ask her if it's a pink.
Yeah, it's the pink one.
It's a pink. Oh, there it is right there.
Yep.
Okay. All right, thank you.
No problem. Okay, so they're gonna be coming in like super soon, so I'm gonna finish this really fast. I need to remake my logo, I need to ship my items, and I need to film a video for a Christmas collaboration. So let's get to getting. I'm gonna put you away before they come in. They're coming. Okay, bye. So I did that whole like really sleek ponytail look. Do we like it? I don't know. We'll find out. We're gonna go film. So I'm gonna head to the studio. I wanna see if I have anything red to wear. Ooh, maybe not red. That's a lot of red. Yeah. Let's film. I'm doing a collab with a couple of girls from Twitter and Instagram, and we're doing a like favorite Christmas movie. So first of all, what's my favorite Christmas movie? I really don't know. I think the Santa Claus, but like, what do I do? First of all, let's get, I think I know what I want to do. So we're gonna do that. We're going. Okay, I'm gonna make a couple glitters. I already have a Christmassy glitter. This is like red, green, and gold. So you can like see there. It's so pretty. So I have this green, red, and gold. I want like a blue and gold as well. So I'm gonna make that. Got a little alcohol. Got a little alcohol. Gotta let it dry. Gotta let the alcohol dry. How's everybody doing? Why do I keep asking that? No one cares. I think I'm gonna do Kringle. Is that what it's called? Kringle. And one eye is gonna be like the before he got there, and then the other eye is gonna be like after he got there, which is like beautiful and bright and colorful. They used a lot of blue, red, and yellow, but I'm gonna do gold, blue, gold, and red in their color scheme. So one eye is gonna be like Santa Claus after he's all happy, and the other eye is gonna be like the gloomy dreary city before he got there, if that makes any sense. So this is my blue and gold. I think I want a little bit more blue, but let me just shake it up. Shake it up, shake it up. Yeah, I definitely want more blue in there. Definitely. But I like this like dark blue. I don't want like a sky blue. I really want this like royal navy. Like it's like in between royal and navy. Okay. Oh yeah, that's what we want. That is beautiful. 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 Okay, let me go film my video and then I'll be back when my face looks pretty. Okay? Okay, bye. All right, this is the look. Focus. I'm obsessed with it. I'm never taking it off ever. Ever, ever, never, ever. Never. Never, ever, never. But I'm going home. I have my keys. I have you. I have my phone. Is that off my door? No, I just didn't turn it. Okay. Ooh, it's code. Do you know what I hate about my door? Besides that it doesn't work and I have to like to close it. There's trash that gets like caught because it's like a dip, like a well, and trash gets caught there. It's disgusting. I'm always worried someone's gonna be here and they're gonna be like, what is happening with that woman? Well, you know, that's my life. That's my life though. Okay. Ooh, it's cold. Let's go home and then I'll see you at home. Bye. I am home. I am with the fam and I need to go to the gym. So, baby, do you want to go to the gym first or am I going to the gym first? Are you going at all? I'll go first. Hi, Bella. Look at her little walk. I freaking can't. Oh my gosh. Bella, come here. Bella, hey. Baby, come here. Bella. Psst. Bella. Bella, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. You're so cute. You're so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, did you find some keys? Wow.
5 additional times to the one that's before us to impeach the president, including the vote in May of 2017, just 5 months into his term.
I cannot wait.
In January of this year, House Democrats took control of this chamber and their face to the American people.
It is December.
Policies that can impact their lives, or they can use the tools.
It is December 18th, 2019, and I am watching the impeachment hearing for Donald Jack off Trump. Hey guys, good morning. I am, today is the day. It is Thursday, it's my Connect Utah meeting. I feel like we were just here. I have to bring these to my husband. He forgot his ring, how rude. So let's go deliver these. Update, I'm putting these in my pocket so I don't forget. Update, I feel so sick. I bet you can hear it in my voice, but I feel sick. And I really don't want to go to this meeting, but it's valuable information. Ooh, I have to sit here for a minute. You know, when your car does this, you know, oh, it's blind. reminding me. Do you know when you try to like make it happen faster and it just ends up like making everything worse? That's me. But let's turn that on. Oh, I don't think it, oh, yep, you can see the crystals forming already. Ah! Look at that. I don't know if you can see it. They're forming. Anyway, so, good morning, it's Thursday. Let's go give my keys to my husband and then go to Connect, Utah in Salt Lake. I went to Connect, Utah yesterday in South Jordan, which was wonderful. Also, happy first official day of Donald Trump being impeached. I'm just, happy days are here again. Oh, are you now recording? You weren't recording that whole time? It's kind of rude. Hi, good morning. Let's go to work. Hi, babe.
Hello.
Let's go to work. Okay, bye. My hair is so poofy. We got a shipment in from Wish, and let's scan her. Let's scan her in. What you doing, baby?
And then how many? From outside? Better?
Inside.
Oh, yeah.
So we're doing it, we're gonna be putting it in the metal part. So from the metal to the metal.
The metal.
What are you doing? Go inside.
I'm inside.
No.
Oh, here?
Yeah. How much is it?
58.
4 feet. 4.5 feet. So, okay. So like 5, so 10 plus 16, 26. How long is the thing?
How much is that? What's
8
plus 5, that's 12.
Times 2, 24.
That's 13.
8 plus 5
It's 13.
is 13, so 26. 26 feet around. How much is the 5 meters? 16 feet?
16 feet.
Okay, so we need like a bunch of those. Or we could just do like around the top. And then that'll be fine. So 8 plus 8 is
8 plus 5, 5. So that's 18.
But it'll be fine. And then times 2. Okay, cool. Yeah, we'll make that work. Let's go, baby.
Yes.
I look terrible today, but I'm still sick and I'm not trying to have your shit. Thank you. What did we do today, love? We had a really good day. We had a really good day. We're leaving a little bit early to have dinner, and then these are all PR packages going out. I tried to like do this size, but the shipping thing told me it was too small, so I have to shove all of them in this. But that's good because it'll be like double protected. And let's go. See you later, alligator.
Huh?
I'm not gonna show them. Oh my god. Hello everybody. Welcome back to Breemaquillage. Is there something on you? There sure is. It's like right in the center. I'm just gonna boop. Did I get it? Okay, I got it. Hi, welcome back to Breemaquillage. We are doing a little bit of a switch up, you know, just like switching it up. I'm gonna be kind of rearranging the cash wrap because I just looked at pictures of like when we first opened and I was like, oh my god, it's so clean, beautiful. And now it looks like trash. So we're gonna fix that. Yay. I'm just gonna do a little bit of work and we'll fix that right up. So let's do that, I guess. I'll set you up over here so you can kind of see what's going on. Yay, yay, yay.